Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create automatically GoHighLevel account in your agency level. The few things you need to notice. So first of all, your account must be a 497 plan, your GoHighLevel subscription, and also you have a third party tool like Zapier, Pabbly. It's up to you, but you must have a third party tools. So let me dive in video and I will show you how I can create automatically sub account creating system, and I will show you the first thing that you need GoHighLevel with 497 plan. If you can subscribe this plan or upgrade this plan from my affiliate link, so I can do these things for you free of cost, and I will jump with you on a call and I will do all things for you. And if you want to buy this with my affiliate link, just book appointment. I can guide you how you can buy it, and after that I can do this whole system for you. So let me dive in the things how I can show you. So right now I'm going to use a Pabbly. Pabbly is a third party tool like Zapier, and right now I'm going to free version, and you can use free version is more than enough. And just simply go to the connections, just log in into Pabbly and go to the connections, and here we have connection with our GoHighLevel account. And before that we need to create our form for onboarding, or we can say that a form that we can use for creating sub accounts. Here is our onboarding form. I have just designed it, and in which what we are going to do here I can show you. Yeah, we are getting name, first name, last name, emails. That's all information we can use in a sub account, and even we can use it for A2P verification as well. It's a simple form. It's nothing else, just a basic form. You can design it 1-2 clicks. You need to put your all details that we need to creating sub accounts, and after that we can create an automations. In automation what we are going to do, but before the automation we need to link with GoHighLevel with the Pabbly. So here we have already linked. I can just show you how I have linked, so you can link it as well. So here you can see that's a form task, and in which what we are going to do, I just connect lead connector first, okay, and after that what we can do, we can simply we can select lead connector, and after that we can say trigger will be selected as form events. Other events are available, but we are going to use form events. And then you have this webhook. Just copy this webhook, and after that what you need to go, just simply go to GoHighLevel, go to automations and create automations here, and in which you can select the trigger form submit, and after that you can utilize webhook and simply just paste this Pabbly URL. We are going to copy here in a webhook, and after that what you need to do, just respond as a survey, and after that just we need to fetch our all leads that we need to create a sub accounts. And here we can create sub accounts, and the same connection lead connector. What we need business name, business phone number, whatever information you need for creating sub account, you can get it here. And after that via webhook you can post it into your GoHighLevel, then it will be create your account automatically. And after that what we can do, we just go here, we can save this webhook, and yeah, then this webhook and workflow is done. What we are going to do next, I just simply save it, and just go to the sites and go to the form. No, not this one. I just go to the form. Simply we have form, and you will send form to your client and customer, or you can use on your websites, on your funnels, and you can send it to your customer. They will fill this form. It will be automatically created sub account. And what about the payments? You are thinking about how we can collect the payment from your client or customer. So we can make it when sub account is created, and after that we can make a compulsory. Once they pay a payment, then they can get access. And also here you can see, here we have just created a test account, and this test account, it will be automatically created from this system. So if you want this system and you want to upgrade your GoHighLevel, or you want to buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, I can build this whole system for you free of cost. And also I can help you to complete onboarding procedure. And simply go to my website, that's leadsflex.com, link in description box below as well, and book your free consultation, and I will jump on a call and I will guide you step by step how you can do this. Thank you so much for watching this video.